Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we will navigate to a particular URL using this WebDriver controlled browser. So for that purpose we have to use a function called as get, which is present in this WebDriver. So first we will use this object name, which is driver. So driver dot, there is a function called as get. So in this get you have to pass a URL, and this URL represent to which location you are going to navigate. So in our case, let us navigate to google.com. So that means you have to give http www.google.com, and let's run this code. And you can see the automated window is being opened and we have navigated to google.com.